Hello everybody. I completed another set today. I'd like to put it on YouTube just for entertainment too, like I always do on eBay. It's all freshly done. Whew, end of the day here. It's a Marx set. I decided to go with a 4x8 double oval with manual switches, and instead of the straight track on the bottom here, I did this curly Q. I kind of stole from another guy's layout picture online. Looks really neat, huh? You just you send it back up with 2 curves and back over with 3, 2 more straights, and then down, and it all connects just like it should. Here's the Gerard Marx whistle station. And I'll show you in a minute the operating crossing gateman, number 1420, that's Marx. Sorry, you might notice the Lionel gate on it. I MacGyvered it. To get the gate to go up all the way, I had to grind off, you can see at the bottom of the counterweight, but it's hard to find a 1420 like that with a good gate. And my glass out of the way here. Tunnels of Marx. The set is so large that I'm working from the side here. I can't mount the camera. I hope I'm not moving it all over the place. But the engine's smoking 1666. Yeah, 1666 smokes. And it runs really good, really smooth. Wait to see it smoke when it comes around. Santa Fe boxcar, the Erie flat car. Watch that smoke. It's smooth, it's quiet and smooth, it's great. Erie, like I said, the girder flat car load. The Marx train car, these are all Marx with butterfly couplers. I didn't have a black gondola, it looked like maintenance of the way, so I had to go with a blue one and the caboose. And the telephone poles, I don't think are Marx. My transformer didn't have a circuit breaker. Sometimes they do, so you can put an add-on circuit breaker on just for extra protection. Like most Marx, it's got the forward reverse unit. No neutral. I saved these manual switches. They needed quite a bit of work. I actually had to repaint them even. One of them had a broken ear on here, one of the greenies, so I took it off a part switch and I JB welded it. That worked. What year do you think these are? I've never seen Marx with this bar for the positive. It's got to be really really early post-war, I'm thinking. And the crossing there. Here's the gate man. Got a guy on the door when he comes out. Side of the door, taking off on you. The set was slightly larger than an oval, so I went with 2 power tracks. distribute the voltage. The second's too big and your engine slows down and it speeds up because you don't have enough power tracks. I'm going to go for it on batteries here. My camera's ready to go out, so apologies if it shuts off without me signing off. I hope it doesn't. Hard telling how many minutes you got left. Headlight works on it. So I'll send it the other way. There's some of my stock here for kinds of stuff. It's actually my lino rack, but I got so much more in storage. Chasing it. Train car barely makes it through the tunnel. Transformer must be a 50 watt. Yep. Really nice shape. These are very easy to work on if you ever have to, it doesn't work right, you know. Take it apart and get the contacts in there. Let's send it by the gateman again. Being a 4x8, remotes might have been nice too, but you see the lino gate on there. Little post war. Marx probably sold a little cheaper than lino. I'm gonna highball a little of the back when I can here. Ready? We don't go up on the floor. Transformer only does 13 volts, so it's not a big scare. You know what just come to my mind here? Just stop it for a minute. Lino's hookups sometimes have A, B, C, and D, and a neat feature is the way you hook it up. It only goes up to certain voltage. A and U are full voltage, and if I could remember right, B, I'd have to go look. B and U, hey, maybe I will. Hope I got batteries. My 1033 here, Probably read it before I do. B to C is 11 volts variable. A to 5 is probably variable, and I'm not sure what fixed voltage is. But if you got the kids and they're just starting out, and you don't want them to throw it off the track like that, you can hook it up that way, and they get older, you can give them full voltage. This 1666 Marx engine has the traction tire. How about that? Came with a traction tire. I'm going to stop it by the station. I think my batteries are just about out. I'll be back someday. Wasn't one toot or one whistle blow for stop at the station? 2 was reverse, right? I think 1 was for stop. Wish I could remember. I used to know in the old days. Well, that's it. For sale on eBay. If you're interested in anything, give me a buzz or a message. I'll help you find it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.